Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, it will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today our topic is the DJI Air 2S. Here are its features. Capture it all. Featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, powerful autonomous functions, and a compact body weighing less than 600 grams, DJI Air 2S is the ultimate drone for creators on the move. Take this all-in-one aerial powerhouse along anywhere to experience and record your world in stunning detail. Equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 pixels, DJI Air 2S is capable of 5.4K, 30 FPS and 4K, 60 FPS video. Capture any moment with the rich clarity and authentic color tones it deserves. Turn on the night. Capture the allure of the world, even as it darkens, thanks to a high dynamic range, high resolution, and accurate color reproduction. Even low-light scenes are sharp and vibrant. 1 billion colors. Captured by the 10-bit Dlog-M color profile of DJI Air 2S let you fully immerse yourself in all the hues of your environment. Shoot RAW. Format photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.6 stops to capture more visual information in every scene, even when lighting conditions are bad or complex. Intelligent HDR technology merges multiple shots automatically, increasing the dynamic range of images without the need for post-processing. Hyperlapse and Panorama speed up time and movement with a single tap by creating a striking hyperlapse. You can also capture larger, more detailed shots of your surroundings with panorama. Autonomous functions. Smart features, perfect shots. MasterShots and FocusTrack effortlessly turn any adventure into cinematic footage. Introducing MasterShots. The next evolution of QuickShots, MasterShots is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. Simply select your subject, and the drone will film while executing 10 different maneuvers in sequence, keeping your subject center frame and generating a short cinematic video afterward. The Center of Attention FocusTrack features Spotlight 2.0, ActiveTrack 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, making it a breeze for DJI Air 2S to follow or circle your subject. Environment sensing. DJI Air 2S has the ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions: up, down, forward, and backward. The algorithms for advanced pilot assistance systems, APAS 4.0, have been further improved, allowing DJI Air 2S to actively avoid obstacles in more complex scenarios and at high speeds. O3 transmission. DJI Air 2S features DJI's most advanced O3, OcuSync 3.0, image transmission technology, delivering an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed. Specs. Expansive accessories. Get the most out of Air 2S. With a diverse range of accessories, the sky is truly the limit. Fly More Combo. The Fly More Combo includes a battery charging hub, a shoulder bag, an ND filter set, 3 intelligent flight batteries, and other practical accessories, allowing you to travel with fewer limitations and more creativity. ND filters. Enjoy increased flexibility and be prepared for any lighting situation with ND 4/8, 16/32 and ND 64 128, 256 512 filters. DJI Smart Controller. This powerful remote controller features a 5.5-inch 1080p high-brightness display for pure performance. Compatible with the DJI Go 4 and DJI Fly apps, it also supports the installation of third-party apps. Takeoff weight. 595 grams. Max flight time, no wind. 31 minutes. Intelligent flight battery. Capacity, 3,500 mAh. Battery type. LiPo 3S. Battery life, 6 hours.